guys. These are the annoying toys I just found at Toys R Us.
Hey, go cut the cheese.
Dude, you don't look so good.
Hey, did I miss anything? You're an apple. I prefer the term little apple, thank you very much.
It's Orange's fault. He told me to do it. Hey, I bet you can't do this. Ow, 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 ow.
Say I didn't warn you. Ow. That wasn't it, sir. I'm ready for my close-up. Hey, who turned out the light?
I think I'm gonna barf.
Nino Burrito. Singing a song. La 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 la. Hey, cool, dude.
Dude, what's your problem?
That's it. I'm out of here. Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the universe?
Okay, you know what? You're an apple, buddy.
Hey, it's Little Apple. Singing a song. La 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 la